If you've got a WhatsApp chat full of voice notes you wish you could just read, here's how to convert them all to searchable text. I'll walk you through it. Voice notes are the part of WhatsApp you can't search. The quote someone sent you, the address, the bit you actually need. Right now, your only option is scrubbing through them, one at a time. Okay, so first thing, open the WhatsApp chat you want to convert. On Android, tap the three dots in the top right. On iPhone, tap the contact name at the top. Either way, you're looking for export chat. Tap that and make sure you pick attach media. That's the one that includes your voice notes. WhatsApp will share you a zip file. Save it somewhere you can find it. Then on your computer, open chattopdf.app, click Upload Your Chat, and drop the zip right in. Once it's uploaded, you'll see a preview of your chat. Pick the Premium Plus Voice tier. That's the one that includes the voice transcription. It's a one-time payment per chat. No subscription, no account. Behind the scenes, every voice note gets sent to a speech-to-text engine. You get real transcription with punctuation, speaker names, and timestamps. 50 languages auto-detected. And here's what you get back. Every voice message as readable text, sitting right where it was sent. You can search the PDF for any phrase, and it'll jump you to the exact voice note. Useful for legal stuff, journalism, or just remembering what someone actually said. A quick note on privacy. Your file lives on the server for 7 days, then auto-deletes. Nobody reads it. It's not sold. It's not used to train anything. And that's it. That's how to transcribe WhatsApp voice notes to text. If you want to try it, the link's in the description. Use code VOICE25 for 25% off any tier.